Google just updated its image generation tool known as Nano Banana to Nano Banana Pro. Right now, I'm in Google Gemini, like you can see on my screen. And up here, it says Nano Banana Pro is now available on Gemini 3 Pro. Try it. Okay. So, for today's video, we are specifically going to be testing this tool for design that includes things like architecture. We are going to look at how to generate logos, social media posts, t-shirt text. For example, if you want text for your t-shirt business, then we are going to test it out for YouTube thumbnails as well to see its capabilities. Now, once you are done signing up in Google Gemini, all you have to do is to click on this option that says try it. Right now, this is the only way we can access it. So I'm going to go ahead and change my settings to Nano Banana Pro by clicking on this option over here, just like this. With that single click, we get an inbuilt prompt over here in Gemini. So it says create a comic with the title Getting Started with Nano Banana Pro. Panel 1, a mobile interface on Gemini, rendered in a poetic watercolor ink style with fine ink outlines and soft bleeding washes. The interface is friendly and a hand painted with expressive brush tools. So I'm trying to see if I can expand the prompt over here. So once you click on that button over there, you'll see the full extension of the prompt. So like you can see, you can keep your details as detailed as you want. And what's interesting is you can put the aspect ratio that you want. Okay, like you can see, so it suggests a 16 to 9. Before, Nano Banana could not generate different ratio sizes. Okay, so you had to manipulate it with either an image, and I have various videos I've created on my channel where I've been able to manipulate this tool to give me better results. Okay, but in this particular case, now you can put the aspect ratio you want to work with. So, and this is how the image turned out like. Let me just zoom it in or click on a full screen so that you can see the detailed results. Like you can see, so everything looks really great. Everything turned out perfect. So, in this particular case, we are going to go ahead and proceed with our own generations. So, I already have ready prompts we are going to be using. I've linked them in the description down below. If you want to follow along, just head over to my description under this video. Then you copy prompt by prompt. Okay. Now, our first prompt is about a 3D pixel style children's picture storybook page. So, what I'm going to do is to highlight everything just like this. Then I'm going to copy it really well. I'm going to come back to Gemini and I'm going to paste it over here just like this. After that, I'm just going to run the prompt from over here. But before we run the prompt, if you have any image that you want this tool to relate to or to copy from, you can go ahead and click on add files. Then you upload the file before you actually run the prompt. So there is that option as well. Let me go ahead and submit this prompt to see the results that we are going to get. With the first generation, I worked with a 16 to 9, and this is how it turned out like. Like you can see, it says, in a world of dreams, every wish is a whisper of light. So, this is a very huge screen, except if you're writing storybooks for platforms like YouTube. But otherwise, if you're writing a book that you're planning to print out and sell, probably you're going to work with an aspect ratio of 1 to 1 per page. Okay, so it will look something like this, or any size that you are planning to work with. You can adjust accordingly. Different platforms require different sizes sometimes. So it really actually depends on where you're planning to share these books. But a 1 to 1 looks like this. Everything looks good. The pictures look fantastic. And like you can see, also the text looks beautiful. So I think this is really incredible. It's really amazing. So we are going to go ahead and move on to our next generation, which is like you can see down here, we are going to be trying it for architecture. So this time we are taking this prompt over here. So we want it to generate for us a mega mansion. So all I'm going to do is to copy this prompt really well. Like I said, all these prompts are down in the description down below. Feel free to go and copy them so that you can work along with me. Copy the prompt, come back to Gemini and paste it over here just like this. Sit and wait until the results are ready once you click on the submit button. Okay, so our beautiful sketch is now ready, like you can see on the screen. So I'm just going to click on it just like this so that we can see the details of it. So everything looks fantastic. Now, what if we want to turn this into a complete project? So I'm just going to paste in a new prompt down here that says make the mansion or turn the mansion. Okay, I think turn makes more sense. So I'm going to say turn the mansion above into a complete finished mansion or home without changing the details. So I'm going to submit the prompt and see the results that I'm going to get this time around. Like you can see on our screen, our image is now ready, and these are the details of our beautiful mansion. I love everything. Everything looks fantastic. Okay. So this tool gives incredible results. I really love everything. Now that's how you can use this tool for architecture. We are going to continue trying out other details or other prompts, and we see what we can get with the new designs. The next design we are trying out is a logo. So go ahead and highlight, copy the prompt, come back to Gemini, paste the prompt over here, just like this. So you're just repeating the same process. Just make sure that your prompt is well detailed and you input the exact aspect ratio size that you want to work with. Then you just submit the prompt and give that time until it's ready. So that's how easy this is. Okay. This is the logo that it has generated for us. Like you can see, everything is clean and it kept everything really like simple. Okay. So if you don't like the results, you can always come back down here and you ask it for a new generations. If you want to tweak the prompt and change the details a little bit, you can do that as well to make sure you get the best of everything. Now let's move on to the next design, which is going to be the social media post. So I'm just going to highlight everything just like this, copy, come back to Gemini and paste it over here just like this. Okay. So click on submit, sit and wait until the results are ready. In the meantime, as we wait for the results, if you are already finding a value in this video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you very much, guys, and let's proceed. Like you can see, our image is still in the generation process, so I'm just going to wait for that until it's ready. Then I will show you the outcome. This has turned out beautiful as well. But all you have to do is once you are inputting the prompt, make sure you put the exact details that you want to appear on your social media post. This is fantastic. And remember, like I said, if you want to attach your own image, for example, if you have your own images that you want to work with, all you have to do is to click on this option of add files. Then you click on upload files and you insert the images or attach the images that you want to be included in your design, and make sure you do that before you actually run the prompt. The next design we are going to be testing our tool with is for the text design. Okay, so let's go ahead and copy this prompt over here. Sorry, I just did paste. Let me undo that. I will click on copy. Then I come back to Gemini and paste our prompt over here, just like that. I'm going to run this to see the results we are going to get. So for this, we are going to challenge it to design the text for us. And then we are going to go ahead and challenge it to make sure it inserts the text on maybe like a t-shirt. Then after that, we want to challenge it to put the t-shirt onto a model. You don't want to miss that. So the text came out beautifully as well. Like you can see, beautiful calligraphy. I love it so much. Now, like I said, we are going to challenge this tool to put this text on a t-shirt design. Okay. So what we are going to say here is put, sorry, let me just type that in. Put the text onto a beautiful galley. Okay, let's say unisex because this is a company we are working with. So let's say unisex black t-shirt because it looks really good uh, with a black as its background. Okay, so I'm going to say a black t-shirt. So let's click on submit and we see the results we are going to get with that. Okay, there we have it. Now we are going to ask this tool to generate an image of a model wearing this t-shirt. Remember, if you want to use your own image, you can as well attach your image and you ask it to put you or to make you wear that exact t-shirt. So my prompt is generate a model, a female model wearing the above t-shirt seated, or let me add for a commercial because I want to show you how you can actually turn this into a commercial video. So let me say for a commercial, let me make it a bit of more sense by adding real estate. Okay, for a real estate, for a real estate commercial. Okay, I think that makes more sense. So let's run this to see what we are going to get. Okay, these are the results that it has generated for us, and I think it did an amazing job. Like you can see, we have our text beautifully displayed on the t-shirt. Everything is the same. The consistency is so real, like you can see over here. So I love that. Now, to download the image, you're going to click on download to download this image over here so that we can test it out with another tool in Gemini. Okay, so I want us to turn that into an ad. So to do that, we need to use Gemini's video tool. So like you can see, I opened Gemini on a new tab. Now I'm going to click on this option of tools. Okay. Then I'm going to choose this option of VEO 3.1, which is the latest version. I'm going to locate my image from the folder where I saved it. Okay. So like you can see over here. So it's somewhere here. I think it's this one over here. So let's see. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to click on open the image so that it can be brought into Gemini. So I'm going to give this tool a new prompt which says make this a real estate campaign. Okay, so we are going to click on submit to see the results we are going to get with this.
Welcome to luxury living at its finest. This breathtaking penthouse offers unparalleled views of the city skyline.
Are you joking me? Did you see how that turned out like? Which means we can even add voice lines to our prompts. Like you can insert exactly what you want the avatar to say in the campaign, exact message you want it to deliver, and it will be generated with the video or part of the video, just like how you've seen that. So in this particular case, AI envisioned everything for us, but still it did an amazing job. Wow, Google is not one to play with. Like its tools is giving. Hmm. Okay, let's generate our last design for this video. So we are going to test it out for thumbnails lastly. Okay, so let's highlight everything just like this. Click on copy. We come back to our previous chart over here. So I'm going to paste this over here to see what results we are going to get for the thumbnail. Once again, as we wait for that, if you are finding value in this video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and I will be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you very much, guys. Like you can see, I'm still waiting on the image. It's taking a bit of time, but we are going to get there eventually. Okay, our designer is finally ready. Like you can see, I think the tool did an amazing job. If you have your own image that you want to attach to the thumbnail, you can do that before running the prompt, just like how I've been encouraging you to do with our other designs. So I really generally think that the tool really did good, and the upgrade, I want to personally give it a thumbs up, but I don't know what you guys think of this. Like, do you think this tool is a game? Is it something you'll be trying out, or it's a no? Give me a thumbs up in the comment section down below, and also give a thumbs up to this video if you like, or if you liked the content over it. And yeah, guys, that's it I had for you for today. So thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.